Well, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So today we're gonna see about a mainnet node, that is a reward confirmed node. So it's been incentivized. The nodes season 1 rewards are completed. Now the season 2 is going. I believe it's gonna end on September 27 something, but at the end of September. So you need to set up before that, and you need to keep up the uptime for the node. So I already posted in our Telegram group, right, a snapshot of the reward eligibility. So the node is Ocean node. So the Ocean is a data privacy project. So the Ocean has its own token, and it's been listed on every big centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, Bitget, OKX. All the exchanges have the Ocean token. So right now the Ocean tokens is merged with FET and AJIX all together, or combining into a single token. So basically it uses your private data without showing up the private information, and you can able to monetize the data. Pretty basic hardware requirements. As you can see, it's a 1 core 2 GB RAM and 4 GB hard disk. So if you want to buy the VPS with a crypto method, you can use this VPS dime link. So let me show you this. So this thing, right, it is enough to run the Ocean node. See, you can select the number of month you need, and can give anything, your name or something, and you need to note this password. So select the Ubuntu, and you don't need to select anything. So just go ahead, then check it out. So next tab, you need to fill out your personal things like the email ID and the informations, and at last you will able to purchase it by USDT or Bitcoin. So that's it. Before moving into setup node, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, so kindly hop in. So this is our Telegram channel. As you can see, we post everything from the fractal Bitcoin mintings on the Telegram boards. So as you can see, on some testnet projects, so everything will be posted here. So hop into that, and we also have the discussion channel. So every node setup is been supported by this channel. So hop into this also. So follow me on Twitter, and also kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon, so you can get the instant notification whenever I post the video. So let's get into the node. So you can search the whole YouTube, you can't find any video related to the Ocean node. So we post stuff like that. We pick some peculiar nodes. So if you want to run early, join our Telegram group and follow me in the Twitter. Setup. So I didn't post most of the things which are related to file in the GitHub. So you need to watch every bit of this video, so you can set up the node without any error, because you need to have some IP related things or port related things. I will show you in this video. So I will clear this in this video, so don't skip the video. So first, as usual, you need to install the dependencies. So the next step is to install the Docker. So if you already have it, just skip it. So I already have it, so I'm gonna skip this. So let me check. So see, I already have the Docker. I also already have the Docker Compose. So I'm just going to create this folder. So it's been created, and I also changed it into the Ocean directory. So it's the script. Now you need to watch careful from here. So if I run the script, it will also, after running this script command, so it will ask for a bunch of questions. So you need to answer these things. Just follow this. So I don't have any private key of the Ocean, so I need to enter N. Next, it will ask for me to create a private key. So I'm going to press Y, but it will show me the private key. So I'm just going to pause this and scroll up a bit. Okay, so after getting your private key, you just need to copy the private key and import it in your wallet. So I'm gonna import it here. So click here, and I will import it. So I import it in my wallet. So the next thing is provide the wallet address to be added as the node admin. So after importing in your wallet, you will get the address right. So you just need to copy the address. So I'm just going to copy. So the ends with 59 CM. So I'm just gonna paste this and press enter. So this thing is it will ask for a bunch of ports need to be opened. So you need to careful on this. So if you already running any node on the VPS, you need to check with the ports that are conflicted to this node. So for that, I will explain something after this setup. So just for now, I'm just going to press enter, because this is my new node, so I don't have any node running on this VPS. So I'm okay with this default port. So I'm just going to press enter. Just enter and enter, then again enter, and again also enter. So for this thing, provide a IPv4 address. You need to paste your IP address in this format. So let me quickly get my IP address. So I updated my IP address, so it's like this. So you need to enter like this and press enter. So you will get the Docker compose file has been generated successfully. So I'm gonna check this. Just run lsa all. So the Docker compose file has been created. So I will run this command. After running this command, I will get like this these things. Here you will have your private key. So I'm just going to remove it for now in my VPS, and I'll show the things. So just wait, I'll run it. So I open my compose file, so it will look like this. See, so you need to edit here with your IP address. So the DB URL, right? So you need to change here with your IP address. I'm gonna change it. So I changed it with my IP address, and then you need to change the entire RPC thing. Okay, that's the thing I gave here. So you can check here. So I mentioned it as replace with your mainnet key here for the mainnet address, and also here for optimism, then here for polygon. So just like that I gave everything for you need to replace. For this thing to change, you need to have your RPC dashboard. So there are free RPC providers. I gave the link here, so you can check the Alchemy. So it is a free RPC provider. All you need to do is just go ahead and create an app. So just name something. For now I'm gonna do it for Ocean tooling and click next. So it will ask for what are the networks you need the RPC for. So any network for Ethereum, Optimism, Polygon. So these three things are you need to create the RPC. Click next. So just create app. Let me show you how to create these things. So I will give this file in my Telegram group. Okay, so after creating the app, you will get like this. So what you need to do is, so here they replace with Ethereum mainnet, right? So this is the mainnet command, and it has the HTTPS. So you need to use the HTTPS and mainnet for the mainnet. Copy this thing and replace it with until this thing. So I replace it for the Ethereum mainnet, and then for Optimism, I'm gonna copy this and replace it with the Optimism. I replaced it here, and then for so this thing, right? I'm just going to copy Polygon POS, and I'm gonna replace it here like this. So I replaced it, and then the Sapphire thing, you don't need to change anything, but here you will have the Sepolia. So this is the main thing you need to replace this thing compulsory. So for that I'm just going to click Sepolia and copy, and then I'm gonna paste it. So for the Sepolia Optimism, so I need to change Sepolia and copy the HTTP link, and I'm going to replace here with the Alchemy link. So everything got changed. So I'm just going to copy this and go to my terminus. So you need to just go here and delete this RPC thing. So I deleted the RPC. Now I'm just going to copy this whole thing and paste it here. You can check this. So these are the things. So everything got changed. Also changed the IP address, and check here you need to have HTTP and P2P. So that's the thing. Those are the only things you need to change. They are also indicated here. You can check here your address and replace it with your IP address, and this thing you need to, and also you can find the your private key here. That's the thing for now. So don't try to use these keys. I'm just going to delete the app and replace it with my new key. So I will give the file in my Telegram group, and I also enter the link in YouTube. Find it. So and then you need to control X and control Y. So control X, you need to press Y and then enter. So after changing the things in compose file, I'm just going to run my node. So just wait for a moment. So the node has been initiated and the Docker image also created. So I'm going to check the Docker. See, so I'm just going to check the logs. So see, so the indexer is working. So if we go up here, so if you go up here, you can find the peer ID. Just select and copy this, and for now, so don't bother these things. It will automatically configure it into another peers and networks. So see, right now I'm getting succeed. The peer ID thing, you need to run asap after running this command, so it will not do not scroll up such thing. So I'm just going to close this. So clear the queue. So I'm going to this link. So this is the link that you will check for the eligibility of your node rewards. So I'm just going to go here and paste your peer ID and wait for a couple of minutes. So it will load and show the node statistics. So within that, just go to the Alchemy dashboard. So you can check here also that the node is working or not. You can go to the metrics tab. So see, I'm getting the request, so it will gradually increase. So for the IP address port path, so here you need to run the port, right? So you can check run by this command lsof underscore I. This command will give all the port that are listening, and also you need to check if the particular port is occupied or not. lsof underscore I colon, and you can check the port value. Type the port value, just enter. So right, so this port is listening, and I am also going to check another port. If you don't get any response, that means that the port is not using anything. So also, if you want any other port, just copy the port value, go to Google and type alternative port for, just type something. For this process I'm going to use 8000. So I can check here. So these are the ports that are alternative for 8000. You can use those things. So mostly not everyone say this, but I'll include it for your knowledge purpose. So let's check here. I'm just going to see the requests are increasing. So that's the thing. So after setting up your node, send some Sepolia token to the address. Right. So this is the my Ocean address, and I'm going to send some Sepolia ETH token. So just 0.2. So it's not necessary, but I'm just going to send anyhow. So the website is slow. After copying the peer ID, check after 15 to 30 minutes. So it will update your rewards eligibility. So if you haven't joined our Telegram group, kindly hop in. I'm putting a lot of effort on making free contents. So kindly support me with the like and retweets, and like my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care. Have a nice day.